Hey folks, Burke here. Let me ask you something right up front. Do you know what happens if you don't have an estate plan? Your family gets stuck in probate, in court, in conflict. It's expensive. It's public. It's really messy. And here's the kicker. A Merrill Lynch survey found that 88% of people say dying without a plan is irresponsible, inconsiderate, and ignorant. Almost 60% of those same people didn't have a plan themselves. We know what to do, we just don't do it. So why the disconnect? Let's be honest, estate planning feels overwhelming. You've got legal documents, hard conversations, and family dynamics. And yeah, you're staring down your own mortality. But here's what I've seen over and over again. Once you make your estate plan, the anxiety lifts. I've had clients go from tense to calm in a single meeting. Because when you have a plan, you have control. And control is everything. At its core, estate planning is just 5 questions. Number 1, who gets your stuff? Number 2, how do they get it? Number 3, who handles your finances if you can't? Number 4, who makes your healthcare decisions if you can't? And who raises your minor kids? That's it. You answer those 5 and you got a plan. Not perfect, doesn't matter. You can update it. You just need to start. Now look, this doesn't have to be grim. When I picked my healthcare directive, I said, not my mom, she never pulled a plug, and not my father-in-law, he might get too eager. A little humor helps us face the tough stuff, because this isn't about dying, it's about protecting your people while you're alive and after you're gone. Here's the truth, life never settles down. Waiting for the perfect time is just another way to stay stuck. Had a kid, got divorced, inherited some money, moved states. Any of those are a perfect time to plan. And if you work with us, it's fast and simple. I've seen advisors update a trustee in 90 seconds with fresh documents delivered in 5 days. You bear that to calling a lawyer, waiting weeks and writing a fat check. Not even close. Want to know what finally motivates people? It's not logic, it's experience. They've seen it. The mess, the family fights, the frozen accounts, the pain. They don't want to put their own kids or spouse through that. That's your why. And once we connect your plan to that, you'll act. Look, I'm not a lawyer. I don't draft legal documents. Encore Estate Plans, our technology partner, handles that. But I'm your guide. I help you make decisions, stay organized, and fund your plan so it actually works. No guesswork, no fluff, just clarity. You want a peace of mind? You want to protect your family? This is how you do it. Schedule your estate planning call today. The link's in the description. This isn't just paperwork. This is your legacy. Let's get it done.